Hello audience, today is Friday 2nd August 2024. Today I am telling you how the calves wholesale market price was in our market today. First I am talking about the price of female calves. Grade double F1 weight 190 grams, price per kg 10.7 US dollar. Grade single F1 weight 160 grams, price per kg 8.7 US dollar. Grade F2 weight 130 grams, price per kg 6.7 US dollar. Grade F3 weight 100 grams, price per kg 4.0 US dollar. To know the wholesale market price of calves every day, please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Now I am talking about the price of male calves. Grade double XL weight 470 grams, price per kg 10.7 US dollar. Grade single XL weight 370 grams, price per kg 8.7 US dollar. Grade L weight 270 grams, price per kg 6.7 US dollar. Grade SM weight 170 grams, price per kg 5.5 US dollar. Grade double SM weight only 100 grams, price per kg 3.7 US dollar. Grade peace calves weight only 85 grams minus, price per kg 2.8 US dollar. Thank you for watching video.